Imagine waking up to the sound of chirping birds, to a home that feels like a natural retreat more than just a house. Hi, I'm Sajjad, and today I am thrilled to take you through an extraordinary property tour in Palawatta. Let's explore its elegant design, luxury amenities, and the lifestyle it has to offer. Stick around, as this might be the house that you've been waiting for. This luxury 4-story house offers 4 spacious bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It has a built-up area of over 9,000 square feet and is built on 8.5 perches. Enjoy the fully equipped open kitchen, separate wet kitchen, and expansive living spaces. This house is conveniently located close to top schools and just a minute's walk from the main town. So there you have it. This property offers the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. If you want to get more details and arrange a private viewing, get in touch with 73 Avenue Realtors on the number below. I'll speak to you soon.